Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing a script tag where execution timing matters. Put it before /body to run after DOM loads, or in head with defer to delay execution. Once done, reference an external file with src equals app.js to keep HTML clean and versionable. Make sure to save files in same folder or use correct relative paths. Also, name functions clearly. This helps when events call them later. Finally, validate that your file is served by a web server when testing modern module features. You now wire interactivity by selecting elements and adding events. First, grab nodes with document. Get element by ID or document. Query selector, choose the most specific selector you need. Then attach behavior with add event listener. This separates structure from logic and avoids inline handlers. Once done, update the DOM using text content for plain text, inner HTML for markup, and class list to toggle styles. Make sure to handle null returns. Check the element exists before accessing properties to prevent runtime errors and silent failures. You finish by organizing code into modules and testing thoroughly. Switch to script type equals module for import/export and better scoping. This also enables top-level await. Then debug, sprinkle console. Log for quick checks and use breakpoints in DevTools to step through logic. Once done, test on different browsers and network conditions to catch timing or compatibility issues. Troubleshooting tip: if scripts don't run, check the console for syntax errors, ensure correct file paths, and confirm the script is not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.